Hello students, today we are going to discuss new topic of cybersecurity module 4, that is wireless network and security. So let us start. First of all, I will tell you introduction. Introduction in the sense, in our college we have LAN, yes, number of systems are connected to the LAN, and there is a one point called switch. With the help of switch, these computer can connect to this computer can connect to this computer can send data to this computer. So every computer in the LAN can send data to any other computer due to switch, because the switch contains the MAC address of each and every machine, and switch is secured than hub. We have seen in our previous module that switch is secured than hub. Okay, so this PC to PC0 can send the message data to PC1, then PC1 to anybody, PC5 or this thing. And there is one email server in our college. Okay, that is a modern college, puneedu.in. Okay, and a printer is there in the LAN. So these different computer connected to all these other computers using LAN with the help of switch. That is all about the wired connection. Now we will see about another part, wireless connection. Wireless connection, we are having a laptop 1, laptop 2, laptop 3, laptop 4. Now I want that this laptop 1 should send data. I want that this laptop 0 should send data to this PC0. So it is not possible. It is not possible due to, because sorry, this is not possible because this is a wireless connection and this is wired connection. Switch is wired connection and this laptop is wireless connection. So how to make it possible? And this make it possible due to access point. So with the help of access point, this is called access point. There is wireless router. With the help of access point, this laptop can connect to this switch and he can share the information with this PC0. Laptop 1 can send data to PC1 and this string. So to reduce the gap between wired connection and wireless connection, we are using access point. Previously, where access point were coming in this diagram, previously there was the case of access point which are coming in this model was this. Now it is changed and this is antenna is there, with the help of which the range is having, antenna is having some range, and due to which the wireless laptop can connect or send data to the system in the LAN which are widely connected, and that is possible due to access point. So that is the main role of access point. So with the help of access point, you can share wireless connection can share data with wired connection. So that is the main funda behind the access point in the wireless LAN, wireless network. Now the first type of wireless network is LAN. LAN in the sense, laptop can be connected, mobile can be connected, or PC can be connected. Okay, then same manner printer can also be connected. So that is example of wire network LAN. So that is possible due to all the system are having a adapter in the sense, you might be knowing network interface card which is required in the network. Unless and until there is a network interface card, you cannot get connected to the network, because that is the MAC address which is required by the switch. Same manner, there is a like wired connection, there is also a network interface card for wireless connection, and that is all about in the network of wireless LAN. Second wireless network type is extended LAN. Extended LAN in the sense, when you get connection of internet your home with TP-Link, or you might be knowing this thing. You get internet connection at your home, your friend get internet connection at your home, then different people get internet connection to your home. Might be they staying long distance, long way, but still they are connected, and that is possible due to that is possible due to extended LAN. Means LAN it means one particular house or what particular room is wirelessly connected due to this TP-Link router. Okay, it is a wireless router. With the help you are getting connected to the internet, and this thing up to your home. That is something limit it is having. Okay, so that is about the network type, extended LAN. Next is type of wireless network, mobile computing. This part is very broad. I will tell you in short. So here you are seeing a diagram in which this man is accessing internet with the help of laptop, and this girl is accessing internet with the help of mobile phone. So mobile computing was the case previously. Mobile computing was the case previously. Like when you want to get connected to internet, your mobile was getting connected to internet only within home. When you left home, your mobile was not getting connected to the internet. So it was getting connected to the internet with this specific position only. It was not connected to the internet. Your mobile phone was not getting connected to internet if you left your home. Okay, it is getting connected to your internet when you are in home. So that was the technology. So that was very but the technology was used for like generating bills of transactions or bank details, Facebook. That was possible. Now the situation has changed. People are accessing the mobile all over the world, and that's what mobile computing tells. If I am an Indian, I went to America, so my network has been changed. Yes. So I need to contact to the tower of the America to recognize me that I am in this. I want to access this network. So that network of America will contact to the network of India, and they will recognize the details of your ID, and that after getting your details, they will allow you to access the internet from the America. And this very broad concept is there. We cannot explain in a few words. It is a very different technology, but nowadays this technology is gaining popularity. Lot of means people are doing much more than thinking about mobile. Okay, accessing mobile, WhatsApp using mobile, video calling using mobile. Everything is going on mobile, because the mobile network. Also remember one thing: your IP address of machine doesn't changes. Sorry, IP address of your machine changes, but your IP address of mobile doesn't changes if you go from one place to another, or one city to another city, or one country to another country. Okay, so that is all about the types of wireless network, mobile computing. I will explain it short. When you are in India, you are getting connected to the mobile network, but when you go to America, you are getting connected to the different network. So American networks want to identify you. So for identification, it will you need to give some information, and that information will be sent to the India, and it will be mapped with the Indian information, whatever mobile, whatever plan you are having, and that according to that it will be transferred to the America, and that according to that you will get access in America, and you will use Indian mobile in America. So that is all about the mobile computing and mobile networks, wireless LAN and network. So we have completed this topic. Thank you.